Yo, what's going on, game man? Welcome to Life Than Me, video number 145. Yep, 145. And I'm in the building at the gig, and I haven't done a video from like starting from the day before in a while. I've been waking up, creating a video, and then dropping on the same day because I've always show y'all the same stuff, man. So it's just tough. I ain't trying to keep boring y'all. And it really don't matter to me how the views look. It really don't matter to me how the views go up or down or whatever, because at the end of the day, I'm dropping every day, and that's what I promised y'all from the beginning, and I'm gonna continue doing it. But something I always show y'all. So I'm sorry if y'all hungry, man. Very sorry. All right, here we go. So, what you get over there, my friend?
Sir,
What you get? What is this?
beef burrito
Oh, with the cheese?
with the cheese.
No, with the cheese. What you mean? But yeah, guys. See, Deshaun always got the stuff up for us, man. But yeah, guys, I'm about to go ahead and dive in, and maybe I might continue this at home. I don't know. We're gonna see, y'all. But I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. What's going on, y'all? Welcome to my life again. Well, actually, I did a scene before this at work, and I'm definitely gonna add on to this. So, welcome back to that 3, 2, 1 countdown, because I know I did a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and today is the day my headlight's finally gonna work, y'all. I've been over here on some broke boy stuff, y'all. Like, for 3 weeks, I've been looking like a straight broke boy. Anytime I pull up somewhere, my damn right headlight is out because of that car accident I got into. I think it was November 10th. So, yeah, finally, the last piece we needed came in. So we ordered a headlight. Headlight couldn't turn on because it was water damaged. This balancer that turns the headlight on was the water damaged because when I crashed, excuse me, I cracked the headlight, and then every time it rained, water was getting in. I didn't think about taping it up or nothing. You know what I'm saying? It would look really ghetto. So I just left it like that. And I guess I messed up. Now I had to spend another $450. So yeah, man, it's Thursday. I'm off. I'm blessed. Man, I just need to get to my boy Josh shop, and hopefully he don't add on to the bill, yo. I know he said I need my back brakes. He said I need to start thinking about those real soon. So I'm definitely gonna probably get those done before the end of the year. He said he thinks one of them is gonna start scratching, and you can't allow that. You don't want it to start scratching. So that's when it gets really, really bad, and it can go into a whole different problem. So, and then all of a sudden the money just keeps rolling on. And I got another ticket, y'all. Another ticket got sent to my mom's house saying I owed him $75 or something like that. I forgot. I think it was for the ticket that I got way back then, when those police officers gave me 4 tickets on one time because it was petty as hell, trying to use me as an example. It was for no front license plate. I mean, I ain't paid none of them tickets because I know nothing about them. Like, the writing on the tickets were super bad. I didn't understand shit the ticket said. I was like, man, I'm just gonna wait until all this shit gets mailed to my mom's house, and then boom, been getting tickets just dropping with interest and shit. So $75 one ain't that bad. I already paid the other one when I was in the city the other day, and paid the other one when I was in the city too. So I'm pretty sure I'm done with paying tickets now. Yeah, my lawyer's paid off. Now I'm gonna have to get my lawyer to come with me. I got 2 court dates, one on January 5th and one on January 7th or something like that. I'm gonna have to get him to come with me. So he's gonna charge me. I think he pretty much charging me, like, if it's a serious big case, he's charging $1,000. And then each case is, and then any other case is $500 for his time, I believe, because he charged me $1,500 for 2 court dates, but one court date was really serious. Like, one was the when I was going 41 over in the construction zone. Like, that's a really serious one. Like, I don't even blame him. You know what I'm saying? Like, I thought I was gonna get a suspended license and be out here bad right now, but he blessed me. Now I still need to do my community service, my driving school. Oh my God, guys, I need to start working. I need to start getting on that. Man, I gotta clean my glasses. I need to start getting on that, y'all, because man, February 29th around the corner, and that's when they want me to come back with all that shit done, and then they're gonna think about not suspending my license. But if I have none of that done, I'm legit getting my license suspended right then and there. So, and then we'll have to appeal, and then me and the lawyer have to go back, and then he's gonna tax me more. Guys, this shit is crazy, man. This shit is crazy. Don't get in the court system. I thought I was out the court system when I finished my probation. When I was 20 years old, I finished my probation. It was around the same time I got the job at Ashley Furniture. I remember everything was just going up for me then, y'all. Just thinking back at it like, damn, got off probation, got a great job, been still at that job. And I just feel like it's trying to catch up, like trying to come back for the kid, and I ain't going. I'm not going. I'm gonna definitely get these driving classes out the way. I gotta do this some involuntary, some other shit. It's a bunch of bullshit, but I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done, or else my lawyer gonna be mad as hell. My lawyer gonna be like, all right, you don't have to keep spending money. But yeah, man, I don't know what I got planned for today, y'all. Definitely gonna link up with my boy CJ, and you know, we're gonna see what the fuck going on. And then that's really it, y'all. Right now I'm heading to, like I said, Josh's shop in Joliet, and he's gonna put the balancer on my headlight and tax me like $20 million, and then I'm gonna pay it, and then I'm gonna roll out, doom, doom, doom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really want to go to the gun range. I want to go to the gun range and shoot my extendo again, just on GP. Like, that shit was fun as hell last time I went, man. So definitely want to just who want to go to the gun range, man? Comment below who in Illinois would like to go to the gun range, man. Let's set it up. Let's set it up, man. Let's all go deep as hell. Fuck you talking about? And I can record it as content for me. Shit. See, gotta keep thinking, man. Everything's content, y'all. If y'all think about y'all damn life, and if y'all really think about it, you be like, damn, I should have recorded that, or damn, I wish I was recording that. We already record stuff. Now it's just, you know, you merge it together, add some editing, and you just drop the shit on YouTube, y'all. Y'all can do it too. Everybody can do it. You never know who blows up, y'all. You never know what catches, what hits, what goes into the algorithm. Like, you just never know, y'all. But yeah, guys, finna go over there. Stay tuned, because I might as well just kind of bring y'all on a journey with me today. This is my today's video though, so I'm gonna have to start creating another video real soon. But yeah, man, big shout out to everybody that's at work today. You know, don't be demotivated, just get it out the way, y'all. Trust me, I've been at the same job for 7 years, and the best thing you could do, y'all, is just stay positive, keep your head up, get through them days into your day off, and then just chill on the day off. And then also remember, you taking your ass back to work after your days off. So it's just how it is, y'all. It's the circle of life until you become your own boss. And you know, Life and Me is definitely trying to get on that schedule. I want that life. I want that your own boss schedule. You feel me? Shit, I'm tired. I'm tired of having to listen to people, man. I really am. But I get it. You know, they don't want to pay you the money, and you know, been helping you out with your family and bills and all this stuff and notes. So I ain't mad. I do want to get an AMG next year, y'all. I'm thinking about upgrading my Benz. Even though I never ever upgrade my Benzes, I always let the drive them till the wheels fall off. But I don't know, man. I feel like I'm just in a different level, and there's different spotlight on me now and shit. So I feel like getting an AMG just makes sense, y'all. And it just got that sound, and it give me that good feeling when I'm kicking it with the guys. I'll know that I'm, you know, right there with them. You know what I'm saying? When they got them loud you know, exhausts or motors or big ass heavy engines. Y'all seen CJ just bought a Demon, y'all. Jeez. Yes, sir. He on that Demon time. He finally got it, y'all. He been talking about it, and he finally did it, man. He just couldn't find the right price, couldn't find the right theme. And then that Demon box is huge. God damn, I didn't know it was that big. But yeah, man, big shout out to my big bro. Congratulations, man. You know, I'm always happy for you, bro. Always. And I'm gonna be able to ride the Demon one day, right? Nah, just playing. That motherfucking Demon is nasty, y'all. Y'all gotta go see that video, man. But I'm finna be back in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Cause some came in the mail today.
Yeah, I did.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!